अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अय्युहा तलबतुल अज़्ज़ा मिन अस्सफ़्फ़िल हादी अशर मिनल उलूम वत्तिजारा अतमन्ना लकुम तमाम अस्सिह्हति वल आफ़िया। My dear students, in last video we have discussed first three lines of the chapter number 2. Okay, so starting from third line, फजलस माहू वक़ाल इन्नी मसरूरुन जिद्दा लिअन्नना नज़हबुल यौमा इला मतहफ़िल वतनिय्यि मा उस्ताज़ तारीख़ व नरा हुनाक कसीरम मिनल अशियाइन नादिरा व कमा तअलमु या अख़ी। फजलसा, okay, in last video I have discussed fa, summa and waw. All these three words are called huruful atf, conjunctions. Okay, and all these three are used to join words and sentences. What is the difference? We have discussed in last video. Fajalasa ma'ahu wa qal, then he sat with him and said. Who said? Umar sat with Abdul Wahhab. Umar sat with Abdul Wahhab, and Umar said, Inni masrurun jidda. Inni masrurun jidda. I am very happy. I am very happy. Li'annana, because we nazhabul yawm ilal mathaf, because we are going today to the National Museum. To the National Museum. Al mathaful wataniyyu, National Museum. Ma ustaz tarikh, with history teacher. Fajalasa ma'ahu wa qal, Umar sat with Abdul Wahhab and said, I am very happy because we are going today to the National Museum with history teacher. وَنَرَى هُنَاكَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْأَشْيَاءِ النَّادِرَةِ, and we will see there, hunaka there, and without kaf, huna means here. And we will see there many strange things. Many strange things. Okay. وَكَمَا تَعْلَمُ يَا أَخِي. Ya akhi. Ya is hurufe nida. Ya is hurufe nida. Vocative word. وَكَمَا تَعْلَمُ, and as you know, O my brother. And as you know, O my brother. Kanal ustaz. Kana is the part of next sentence. Okay. Kanal ustazu sharaha lana an ahammiyatil matahifi fil usbu'il mazi bishaklin aamin. Bishaklin aamin. Kana sharaha. In last, when we were discussing first chapter, I think I have discussed Kana is used with Fele Muzare also, with Fele Mazi also. But when Kana will be used with Fele Muzare, it will give the meaning of past continuous tense. Okay. But if Kana is used with Fele Mazi, it will give the past perfect meaning tense. Okay. It will give the meaning of past perfect tense. So Kana was there. Al ustazu sharaha. Sharahi is Fele Mazi. So the teacher had explained for us. Ahammiyatun means importance. Ahammiyatun means importance. Al matahif, mathaf singular, plural is matahif, museum. Al usbu'il mazi. Al usbu'il mazi, its meaning is past week, in last week or past week. Bishaklin aamin, generally. Bishaklin aamin means generally. So the translation of this sentence will be, Kanal ustazu sharaha lana an ahammiyatil matahifi. The teacher had explained for us the importance of museums in last week generally. Okay. Hal tazkuru annahu qala innal mathafa makanun tujadu fihi namaziju bara'atil insani abral usuri tajma'ul matahiful asya al fanniya okay, wal ilmiyata wa tarikhiyata wa ta'tani bihifziha taqa'ul matahifu fi hadhihi al-ayyam fi mu'zamil mudunil kabirati min jami'i anha'il alam. Tazkuru, zakara yazkuru, its meaning is to remember. Its meaning is to remember. Okay, and zakkara yuzakkiru, it has separate meaning. And tazakkara yatazakkaru also. So as in last video I had told these three words, today I'll discuss another three words, that is zakara. Okay, zakara yazkuru. Next is zakkara yuzakkiru. Okay, yuzakkiru. And next is tazakkara yatazakkaru. Okay, so all these three words have separate meaning. Zakkara yuzakkiru and separate meaning, and zakara yazkuru and tazakkara yatazakkaru. So this one has separate meaning, but first and third have separate meaning. Zakara yazkuru and tazakkara yatazakkaru, its meaning is to remember. Bear in mind. Okay, bring to the mind, keep in mind. All these words, all these meaning are being used for first zakara yazkuru and tazakkara yatazakkaru. But zakkara yuzakkiru with ba, its meaning is to remind. Understood? Now coming to the points. Hal tazkuru annahu qala, do you remember that he said? Who said? The teacher said, history teacher said, innal mathafa makanun. Okay, first I'll discuss words meaning. Makanun means place, its plural is amkinatun. Makanun singular and its plural is amkinatun. Okay, the plural of makan is amkinatun, its meaning is place. Wajada yajidu, already in last video I have discussed, but tujadu is fe'le muzare passive voice, majhul. Active voice and passive voice you know. So tujadu is fe'le muzare but passive voice. Namazij plural, its singular is numuzaj. Okay, and meaning is sample. Bara'atun means, yes, next word is bara'atun, its meaning is skill. Okay, its meaning is skill. Next is abr, its meaning is through, over, by, across. Al-usur, asr singular, ain swad ra, asr singular, and its plural is usur, era, time, period. Okay, next word is tajma'u, jama'a yajma'u means to collect, to gather. Al-ashya, already I have told. Al-fanniya, exact word is fannun. Okay, fannun means art, so al-fanniya is artistic. Okay, fannun, I think you got. Fannun means art, fun, that is used in our language also. कि आपको कौन सा फन आता है, कौन सा हुनर आता है, that is art. So from this word exact fanniya is used. What does it mean? Artistic. And ilmiyata, scientific. In Arabic, ilmun is used for science. So al-ilmiyat means scientific. Next is at-tarikhiyatu. Tarikh, history, but at-tarikhiyatu mansub is there. So its meaning will be historical. Historical. Okay. And next word is i'tana, ya'tani, again with ba. It will be used with ba. I'tana, ya'tani, i'tana, ya'tani. Okay, ya'tani. My dear students, I think one thing you will take care here. Fele mazi I have written without nukta, ya without nukta, but in fele muzare ya with nukta. Okay, I have discussed this difference. That is, if before ya zabar is there, ya will be written without nukta as i'tana, ala, okay, maza, ra'a. But if before ya zer is there, ya will be written with nukta. For example, fi. Okay, so fi will be written with nukta, ala will be written without nukta. I'tana, ya'tani with ba. Its meaning is to look after, and to take care of. So you can see here ba has been used. Next is hifzun, bihifziha. Hifz means protection. Hifz means protection. That's why we know one who used to remember or to protect the Quran in his mind, he is called hafiz. So wata'atani bihifziha. Next word is taqa'u. Waqa'a, yaqa'u. Waqa'a, yaqa'u. Its meaning is to situate. Fi hazihil ayyam. Ayyam is the plural of yawm. Ayyam is the plural of yawm. Mu'zam. Mu'zam means major. Okay, large amount. Al-mudun. Al-mudun is the plural of madinatun. Madinatun singular, and its plural is mudun. Its meaning is cities. Okay. Al-kabira, again, in last video I had discussed that if the thing is singular, if the thing is plural and non-living, it will be considered as female singular. As you can see here, al-mudun, cities, plural, but male, but its adjective has been used female singular because al-mudun is considered here female singular. Big cities. Jamia means all. Jamia means all. Anha'un means corner. Anha'un means corner. Al-alam. Al-alam means world. And al-alim means scholar. So now, going to translate from here. Hal tazkuru, do you remember that he said, inna is used for surety. Inna is used to give the meaning of surety. Sure, the museum is a place, okay. So sure, the museum is a place where the sample of human skills over the years are found. Okay. Tajma'ul matahif. The museums collect artistic, scientific and historical things. Understood? The museums collect artistic, okay, Ashya will be translated later. Artistic, scientific and historical things. Wata'atani bihifziha, and takes care of it or looks after it. Taqaul matahifu fi hadhil ayyam, nowadays. Tilkal ayyam, in that days. So nowadays the museum is situated in large amount of big cities around the world. So in a short sentence you can translate nowadays around the world in large amount of city or many cities, many big cities have the museums. So again from here you can translate, the museums are situated nowadays in numbers of big cities around the world. Okay, for today this much. Inshallah, next sentence or next paragraph I'll discuss in next video. If you did not get any sentence or any word, you can ask me anytime. Okay, grammar points also you can ask me anytime. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.